Now, we're going to break down some strategies to end off this video. Because a lot of people think that, you know, in order to be a real estate investor, you have to be able to sell the deal. You have to be able to exit the deal. There are some people who don't exit deals at all, right? They get a great deal, you know what I mean? They get it for below market and they never exit the deal and they make a lot of money, right? And they not only make a lot of money from not exiting the deal, I'm going to teach you exactly how they make money. And it's another thing that we do here at Grandiose Capital as well. So we also refinance deals, right? So we refinance deals as of 2023, we refinance deals up to 75%. We used to do refinances up to 80%, but the market has changed a little bit. So a lot of the funds and investors, you know, they decided, hey, we're going to go down to 75% just to be safe, right? Just to be safe with the money that we're lending out, just because of, you know, where the economy is. Like I said, it's 2023. We got Biden as president. That's what that's what most of our investors feel comfortable doing, which, you know, is pretty common, right? So this is another strategy that people do in order to make millions, if not billions, in real estate. Now, you choose your own strategy that works for your personality. Maybe you want to be a flipper. Maybe you do want to sell, right? Maybe you want to be a holder, right? Whatever you want to do, I'm going to show you this strategy so that you have an idea of how to make money and you never have to sell any of your real estate, right? Now, this is for, you know what I mean? Pay attention, you know what I mean? Because I know a guy. So I know I was talking about 65% of ARV, right? 65% of ARV is a rock star deal, right? I know a guy who is extremely cheap. And that's also a good rule of thumb. People that tend to be really good real estate investors tend to be cheap. You know what I mean? And they tend to be great negotiators. But here's the thing that a lot of you guys don't understand. A lot of you guys out there actually are really good negotiators. The only thing is, you negotiate for the wrong things, right? You want to be cheap when it comes to buying a t-shirt. You want to be cheap when it comes to buying fruits at the fruit stand, at the local fruit stand. You want to be cheap when it comes to buying a car from a car dealership. But the best way to negotiate is buying a house, right? Or buying an asset. That's actually worth the negotiations. Because I know a guy, we was talking about 65%, right? And I know some investors out there, they see 65% and lower and they be like, oh, that's impossible to get in this market. It's some people that think that way. They have those mindsets. Like they think that 65% of the ARV and lower is impossible. That's their mindset. So because they believe that, they offer stuff around that number because they believe that it's impossible to get anything lower. I know a guy who can pull deals off for 40%. Now, there's some investors that's watching this right now and they see a number like that and they're like, that is impossible. They losing their mind, right? But I know a guy that's so cheap that he can get assets for 40%. That's 40 cents on the dollar. And let me tell you, he made millions of dollars and he hasn't sold one of his properties. He makes all of his money by refinancing his properties because he owns it for so low, right? He gets it for 40 cents on the dollar, right? Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you want to book a one-on-one mentorship call with me, click the link in the bio. Whether you make less than $200,000, you need help getting there, or you make more and you want to jump into real estate investing, click the link in the bio, book a call with me ASAP.